Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do pull me out card. So the things you need are a paper. You need to fold it. You get a hexagon shape. So you need to fold the two ends. Press it hard so that it doesn't opens. Fold the corners in a crisscross way. So you get an envelope shape. Turn it over. And fold one side of the envelope to the middle and then again the next side over it. Insert the ends of the envelope inside the behind envelope. So you get this. This is the point where you pull it off. So now we need to decorate this card before we give this to someone else. I am putting a blue chart paper over it. You can put any other color. Fold it so that it gets easier. You can write anything over there, any message you want to give. Write pull me out instruction. You can put any design over there according to your choice. So this is our card. Decorate it with other designs. I am putting love and a flower. So this is our card. You can pull it off and write any message over here. This is such a card that you don't need to insert any paper inside the envelope.